This is a Hub Hardware tournament lebesidlalisa la nsuku mbili. So singu Hub we are trying to give back esiveni ngesupport lebasinika yona. So kahle kahle mission yethu kwekukhuthaza abantwana ukuthi bangangeneli boma drugs but keep busy while bangekho esikolweni. So lesingaku encourage nje sibonile ukuthi kuma gaming lebesinayo bantwana bebahlonipha kakhulu. So siyacela ukuthi sitawuchubeka nalama games siye emaparaleni next week up until ize siyophuma na boshambeni whereby batahamba bodlala ePrince of Wales mhla ka 16 May. So ngaba kucela nje isupport esiveni kwekuthi singihapho sisabisela esiveni phela bamane bete basisupport in our shops. Sikhona kaManzini, sikhona eSiphofaneni nakumathapha sikhona. So sicela yo support team size sikwadi kukhona kuchubeka si support bantwana. Siyabonga.